The PS5 controller drift severely affects the gaming experience. Buying a new controller is also quite expensive. Let's repair it together today. The tools needed are a screwdriver, a prying tool, and precision electronic cleaner. A friendly reminder: before disassembling each step, it's recommended to take photos for recording, so you won't miss installing any parts. First, pry open the black decorative panel from this position, opening it a little along the edge. Control your strength to avoid breaking it. Then, press the R2 button and pry out the R1 button. Use the same method to pry out the L1 button. This will reveal 4 screws. Unscrew these 4 screws. Next, pry open the clips at the bottom and slowly take off the back cover of the controller. This part is the controller's battery. There's a ribbon cable on the right side. Carefully unplug it. Place the battery aside, unscrew this screw, and then remove the ribbon cable. The battery cover can now be taken off. Next, remove the 4 ribbon cables. Flip the circuit board over, being careful not to pull apart these 2 wires during the process. Then remove the joystick cap, revealing the main part of the joystick. Take out our cleaner and spray from different angles, spraying a small amount multiple times to clean out the dust from inside the joystick. Then, put the battery back in and check if it drifts. Now it does not drift at all. Move a bit. Great. Let go and confirm everything is fine before reinstalling the other parts. For those who see this, feel free to bookmark it so you won't lose it when you need it.